Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn on auto-download for audio files on WhatsApp Web using your PC. This feature ensures that audio files sent to you are downloaded automatically, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the latest version of WhatsApp Web for the best experience. Next, locate the gear icon on the left side menu of the WhatsApp Web interface. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Once inside the settings menu, look for the option labeled Chats and click on it. Under this section, you'll find a sub-option called Media Auto Download. Select it to access your media download preferences. Now, you'll see various media types listed under the Auto Download settings. To enable automatic downloads for audio files, simply check the box next to Audio. This action activates the feature, allowing all incoming audio files to be downloaded automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto download for audio files in WhatsApp Web. From now on, any audio sent to you will be downloaded automatically, making it easier to access and manage your media files. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from this feature. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more seamless experience with WhatsApp Web.